She's been trying to try different lipsticks, so I'm like going through my collection and I'm like, here, these are the colors that you can wear, because if not, she puts on like crazy colors and I'm like, no ma'am. So I'll be the one to supply your lipsticks. She's not gonna like this because it's pink. She is not gonna like this. So this is like very pink. It has like a sheen to it. It's not picking up on camera. Oh look, you can see on my finger. So yeah, there's that one. It kind of has a minty. I might use this because it's kind of like my tone. I'll just like dab it on the lip. It'd probably pair really well with the lipstick that I have on right now. So I'll try it. Next in the bag is, it's a vanilla cake. Add to warm bath, relax and enjoy. I don't have a bathtub, you guys, so I'm going to be adding this to the giveaway as well. So for you guys, and this is by, it's Heart Made USA. Delightfully sweet and simple. It says good on the inside and out. Paraben, phthalate, and sulfate free. No animal testing. 99% natural and 100% fun. So it has magnesium sulfate, which is the Epsom salt, canola oil, coconut oil, perfume, and yeah, so that's what that is. And it's by the brand FeelingSmitten.com. So that's cute. I wish I had a bathtub, you guys, because I really need to like have like a really good bath and just relax and have a candle, and yeah, you guys, one day. I have a shower. But okay, so next in there is this Pixie by Petra. So I'm excited because I have not tried any of Pixie by Petra's anything, actually. I've never tried their makeup line, and I've never tried their skincare line, which I did. I actually put, how do you say it? I emailed the Pixie to see if I can get on their PR list, because usually they'll say yes. They just have to go over the content to see, like, on your YouTube channel. But we'll see how that goes. One day I know I will be on theirs. But they do, I hear that they do the best skincare line ever. So this is an intense moisture gel, instantly rehydrates dry skin. So perfect, because I have dry skin. So this is an H2O skin drink pure hydration gel, which you can find Pixie products like at Target and Sephora and Ulta. So if you guys are interested, you can always go to pixie.com and you can find a lot of their different skincare. So it does have a seal on there. I'm gonna take the seal off, you guys, and I want to, ooh, it's clear. Can you see that? Ooh, where'd it go? I don't know. It's clear and very slippery. Okay, so I'm gonna try that right here. So it's very lightweight, and it feels like a water-based cream. Like, it literally feels like water. It's not greasy at all, and it's already soaked up into the skin. Oh my gosh, you guys, I thought I was showing you. But yeah, it's a water-based, it's exactly what it claims to do. It's H2O skin drink. Literally a drink for your skin. No lie. That's awesome. I love that. So this has water, glycerin, other names that I cannot pronounce at the moment, sodium chloride, leaf extract, chamomile, aloe, leaf extract, rosemary, and this was made in Korea. So Pixie is actually a Korean brand. You guys, if you have, and then that's the end of what's in the bag. Oh wait, one more product that's in the bag. And then we have one more bag to move on to. So this is a Natural Cartel multi-purpose stick. Look at that packaging. That packaging is so cute. I love it. That is so cute. And this is a Glow Ball Awakening Illuminator. So, and it's like this. It's vegan and cruelty free. It has a 12-month lifespan. It is I don't know. Is this like a highlight? It's a highlight, you guys. So it's like purple, like I wish I could show it. It's like lavender. So I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. It's very creamy. And let me find a spot for you guys. Okay. It has like a golden undertone, and it is a shimmer. So as you blend it out, this is really nice for them natural days that you just want to have like minimal makeup on. So if you just slap on some foundation or some like tinted moisturizer and pop this on your cheeks and call it a day, that is so cute because like it just gives like the right amount of sheen. I wish I would pick up more on camera, but we gotta do what we gotta do to work with what we have. Okay, so that is cute. I'm so excited for that. This bag is so cute, you guys, right? She's gonna love it. She hasn't seen it yet. Of course, because we just opened the thing. And this one, look at this bag. It's so cute. So these are Ipsy bags. So cute. Look at the tassel. I love the tassel. Okay. Oh, okay. So in this bag is, ooh. Okay. So this is a Aromatherapy Associates London Revive Body Gel. Refreshing and invigorating. So it says, experience the refreshing and invigorating powers of grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper to even out skin tone and texture and maintain a healthy microcirculation. This is cute. So what is this? A body gel? It's a body gel. Cool. I want to smell it. It smells minty. Like, it smells minty. Ooh, that's like really a refreshing feel to like have on your body. So I didn't even smell this Pixie one. Let me smell it for you guys. This one doesn't have a scent. We got a lot of goodies. I'm so excited. Okay, next is this Elemis. I actually really love this mask, and it's I'm still working on mine, but I really like this mask. I might pass it on to my mom because she's trying to work on her skin, and she's been seeing me working on my skin, and her skin, she really needs to start working on her skin. So I've been like on her butt about it, about helping her skin go back to, because she works a lot in the kitchen, like you guys. She has her own business and she's always in the kitchen. So yeah, her skin is getting neglected. So I'm like, any little skincare that I get of extras, I'm passing on to my mama because my mama needs, you know, some love. So, okay, next in here, this actually came in the Huda Beauty, the Allure, and this is actually a part of the Allure bag. So, I'm thinking that Huda Beauty, this is her perfume because it says hudabeauty.com, and this is a Vanilla Orchard Tonka Absolute Brown Sugar Amber Woods Musk sample of the perfume. And I can smell the vanilla, and I can smell the brown sugar, and you can smell it. It's very musky. I would have to ask my honey how this smells. I'm like more of like floral. I like floral scents. I think the only musky one that I've tried, honestly, is the Guilty Gucci one, and I absolutely love that perfume. It's so good. I like Juicy Couture. I'm almost out of mine. Like, I have like a little bit, and I'm having to struggle because my little nozzle got lost. So, yeah. And I also like the Dolce & Gabbana. Is it the Dolce & Gabbana? I think I have a Dolce & Gabbana one, and I'm almost out of that one, so I really need to go and one day get another perfume because I'm already running low on the two. But those two, my Juicy Couture one lasted me 3 years, you guys. 3 years it's lasted me. So I only wear it like on special occasions and stuff like that, and it's lasted me a really long time, as well as the other ones lasted me about a year, and it's already almost done. But yeah, so that's cute. And that's Kayali, and it's vanilla 28. So I'm assuming that the name of the perfume is Kayali, but it's a vanilla. So it smells really good. I don't know, I'd have to ask my honey how he feels about that. Like, next in here is the another Pixie by Petra. First I was really scared because it has like a lot of oils, but I've read a lot of reviews, and a lot of people say that this is really good for like combination skin. So I'm excited to try this. It's an all-over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion, enriched with 21 natural oils, plus propolis, aloe vera, and fruit extract. So it says, before makeup, hydrate, protects, and nourishes. After makeup sets, adds a dewy finish and protects. Anytime refresh makeup, hydrate, and adds glow. It says, shake to mix, close eyes, and mist over face and neck for all skin types. So that's really cute. You can see like all the oils at the top. Like if I turn it this way, like all the oils go up. So that's cute. And what else do we have, you guys? We're done. We're done. Okay, and this is that cute bag that I was talking about. So that's everything that I received in the giveaway. If you ask me, it was a hell of a giveaway. It was a hell of a win. I'm excited to try all these different products. So really excited. I'm so excited for that Laneige face wash, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. So a huge thank you to Loquita Boricua for this giveaway, the chance to even win a giveaway. You guys, I'm telling you, you're gonna win at least once in being a part of her, like being a part of her family on her YouTube. I just had faith from the beginning, because when I found out that she does monthly giveaways every single month, I was like, man, I'm gonna have a better of a chance to win a giveaway, just as everybody else, because I think 45 people out of 255 subscribers that she has, and 45 entered. I got lucky, you guys. So I would definitely check her out. Like, I'm telling you, you need to check her out. She's amazing. I love her so much, you guys, and I can't express that enough. You're gonna fall in love with her. Her personality is just so amazing. I'm so excited to try different things, because that's what this channel is about, is trying different things for you guys and letting you know how I like them and how they perform, and sharing it with you guys. So yeah, I know that this video was a little bit longer. It was well, it's not as long as my other ones have been, so you're only gonna have 13 minutes on this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it out for you guys, so that way we're not like running on for an hour and a half. But I love you all. This was overall the best day today for the mail day. And yes, so if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Race family. We'd love to have you here. And yeah, so you'll have an amazing night. Keep an eye out for tomorrow, because I'm going to probably be uploading another video. I'm going to upload this one tonight. I'm not editing at the moment, so I'm just like, bear with me with any false, how do you say it? I don't know. But yeah. Soon, I need to start messing around with the computer and learning how to edit, or ask my honey if he'll continue to edit for me. Wink, wink. But, yes, you guys, it was amazing to have you here if you're here. And like I said, please like this video if you like. And please leave a comment down below to tell me what your favorite product was and what you're excited about this box. And yes, yes, keep an eye out. And like I said, please share this video with your friends and family, please, so we can grow and we can get to that 1,500 giveaway, you guys, because the faster that we get there, the faster we'll have that giveaway. Even if I have to like go shopping for you guys, I will totally do that, you guys. So yes, I love you all. You'll have an amazing night, and hope to see you next time. Bye.